A property here, and you can see this is the entrance to the property. There are stairs here, which are concrete stairs. What I would like to do, I would like to put tiles here. I already put tiles here, and this one I didn't put because I had to put the railing here. Just putting the railing here. And here I didn't put because I had to take some measurement against termite and treat it against termite, but I'm going to put now tiles that I want to make sure termite will never come here. So what I did here, I put here borax acid here, borax acid here. I sealed the area here that water will never penetrate to this area, because water will attract termite. The moisture attract them. So now I'm going to put tiles here. So as you can see here, I have a foam. Okay, the white stuff is actually borax acid. That's against bugs and termite and all the other stuff that's coming here all the time. Here I sealed it with polymer here. That it will never really, it's actually sealed for water. Water will never penetrate here. Okay, now I want to put tile. Let me show you what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a piece of liner. Okay, you can see I'm going to put the piece of liner here that will cover the foam here and here and here. This PVC uses a membrane, really, but it does also other stuff here. You actually seal it from water here, because I'm going to glue it. Okay, and you can put here, I can put a little bit of thin set here on the PVC. A thin set will stick to a PVC, not excellent like concrete, but it will work properly. So what I'm doing here, I'm actually cover the foam here. That you cannot put thin set on it, and this area also, which is a polymer here. So you don't really want to put tile. You don't want to put thin set over it. And I'm going to glue it with, it's called liquid nail
Turbine surround.
So I'm using this liquid nail stuff. Okay, and I'm just going to here, and I start putting in the area, which I actually mark the area. Okay, remember I just marked the area where exactly this PVC will be located. And now I'm going to use this trowel just to thread it properly here. You see what I'm doing? I'm just threading it nicely. Like a tin set, but it's not. But you spread it like a tin set. Okay, so I put it, and I will start putting the PVC now on it. So before you sticking this PVC, as you can see here, you have to clean it from dust. Just make sure there is no dust and dirt, debris here, because it won't stick properly. You really need a good contact with the PVC. Okay, and remember, it's only 2 inch. So it's actually 4.5 inch, but 2 inch is going to the side. 2 inch here and 4.5 inch here. So let me put it here and show you how it's going to look. And I'm going to put it and start from here. Remember, you have to push it in. It's quite tricky, but you have to do it until the end. Okay, we put it, we stick it here. Clean my hands. So we put it here now. So now what I want to do, I want to press it with this trowel. You have to press it. This is very important. Now it will press. And see how nice it looks. In 1 hour it's going to stick to the concrete like a rock. See what I'm doing? I'm just pressing it. That's it. Leave it like that. Half an hour is going to be perfect. That's it, it's done. So now we don't really need to worry about leaking of water toward the door, which is a vulnerable place for bugs and termite. In addition to it, the PVC is just not used as a water barrier, but it also gives a little bit of elevation. And really what we need here, we need a slope here of a quarter of an inch maybe per feet, that the water that's coming to this area will go outside of the stairs, not to where the door.